What's up guys, it's Andrew here from Brit Breaks. How is everyone doing? Just thought I'd put this video on the channel. Did a Facebook 2-box live break on last night and we hit a super short print, so I thought I'd put it on the channel. 2 boxes of this stuff, Donruss 2020. Anyway guys, I hope you like it. If you're in the break, feel free to relive those glories. Apologies to the big spots that didn't get anything, but some really good spots that did get stuff, so worth checking out. But anyway, let's watch it. Cool. So we'll start with this box on the right and we'll come to this box in a second. Let me move it out of the way. So good luck everyone. Box 1 of 2. So 18 packs a box, 1 auto, 1 mem per box. Should get at least 6 rated rookies. Including the optic I got in my box, I got 10. So see if we can get similar luck again. Let's get some Burrow love for Craig there. I got some Herbert love for the Chargers. Don't actually have a tour for you, Mitch, but I'm sure there's a tour somewhere in these two. So 3 stacks of 6. Okay, pack 1. He says again, I had this issue on my box, they're so sealed. So card number 1 is a 49er, and that is George Kittle. Kyle Rudolph. We got a legend, Warren Moon, Chandler Jones, Danny Amendola. Our first red press proof, Darius Slayton. 2 of those, brilliant, Mitch. Classic. LaVisca for the Jags. It's brutally stolen just before Mitch's pick, that one. Russ on the wild card, road to the Super Bowl. Josh Uche, rookie. And a Tyler Boyd. So in one pack you have the same amount of Bengals as I got in my entire box. So I hope Craig gets better luck in these 2 than I did. We've got Darius Slayton, Calais Campbell, Blake Martinez, traded to the Giants, Eddie Jackson, Khalil Mack, and these are really nice cards. That is Jake Fromm, rookie Gridiron Kings. And a guy I'm a huge fan of, Antonio Gibson, Mike Evans, and Trevon Diggs, rookie. Oh no, James Conner. Those kind of insert rookies, I will sleeve them for you just for speed of video. I'll only do the hits on camera. Mark Ingram, Mo Sanu, Terry McLaurin, Jayon Brown. Oh, and here is our memorabilia card for the Eagles. That was quick. And it's a rookie patch auto. How about that? 26 of 99. Jalen Hurts. Congrats to the Eagles. Interesting, he's got player 1 before he'd even played a down, I imagine, when this was printed. So imagine that's kind of a training top of some sort. There we go. Lovely little Jalen Hurts. They can go at the back. Followed up by a numbered card. Number 2. A 81. Which was his amount of tackles last year. Although he's traded to the Saints. So a bit of a random card. Nice power formulas insert. Charles Woodson. Legends of the Fall, Len Dawson for the Chiefs. Damian Williams. And our first rated rookie, and it's not a bad one there. It's Jordan Love. There you go, there's Jordan. We have Jarrett, Joey Bosa, Steve Atwater, Derek Henry, Le'Veon, filler, lots of these in there because it's a lot of hobby sales by pack. DJ Dallas on the red press proof rated rookie. TJ Watt, Action All Pro. Donruss 2000 of Khalil Mack. And we have a Isaiah Coulter, Rhode Island wide receiver, and a Jason Kelsey, O-lineman for the Eagles. Melvin Gordon, Michael Gallup, Cooper Kupp, Trent Brown, Derek Carr. That's the print run because I had the exact same one. A lovely Justin Jefferson canvas there on the rated rookie. So that's us up to 3 rated rookies already, I think, if I can count. Joe Green. Nice card that. Super Bowl MVP Patrick Mahomes, Kansas City Chiefs. We've got a AJ Terrell and a Rob Gronkowski. Where does the love for Jalen Hurts come from? You're an Obama fan then, Callum? Dak Prescott, Odell Beckham, Mike Evans, Dede, Julius Peppers. We got a KJ Osborne, Dominators for the Titans, Ryan Tannehill, 2000 Donruss Zeke, Reggie White, and another rated rookie, Van Jefferson. That looks really photoshopped. He's not a bad kind of slot receiver. Out of Florida. Next card up. We've got Jacob Hollister for the Seahawks. Another Seahawk, Chris Carson. Peyton Manning. Tre'Davious White. Ooh, I believe these are super short print. So that is a Marvels of Deion Sanders primetime. How cool does that look? So let's get that into sleeve. I need to check the odds, but I believe that's super short print. So I don't know if that's a case hit. I do think the NBA one looks a little bit better, but that is a really cool card. A lot of love for Dion. He's just been announced as the head coach of, is it Savannah State? Jackson State? Reese's will ship tomorrow. DJ Chark, red press proof. A long evening of sorting for me after this. Austin Eckler, Elite Series. Justin Tucker, highlights. These are super hard to read. 1,000 points by a kicker. The text is so small on that bottom line. Colby Parkinson, rookie. And a Dan Marino. Yeah, so that's a good point actually. If you could all send me your addresses during this break, 5 PM, then I can start sorting them and sending them soon as. I will chase you for your address. If you don't send it to me, don't worry, I won't keep the cards. Although that Marvels is a nice card, I am tempted. Taysom Hill, Raheem Mostert, Jared Allen, Phillip Rivers, Josh Allen, another filler. Ooh, that's a nice one. Gridiron Kings, Mahomes. Followed by another nice one. Oklahoma wide receiver, now with the Cowboys. So good start for the Cowboys, CD Lamb. DJ Chark, Tommy Stevens, former Mississippi State quarterback for the Saints, and a Aaron Jones. we have Jimmy G, Harrison Smith, Will Fuller, Calvin Ridley, Barry Sanders. That's a nice card there. Juju to 100. Brian Edwards. Yeah, the champ is here. So all the KC guys have their own The Champ is Here card, or at least the Stars do. That's Harrison Butker. Ryan Fitzpatrick. I'm sure that's the card that Mitch wanted to see. The big QB for Miami. And AJ Dillon, rated rookie. So halfway through this first box. Eagles and Cowboys probably leading so far. Evan Ingram, Matt Judon, Malcolm Jenkins, Christian Kirk, Kenny Golladay. Hope he gets fit for my fantasy teams. Red Press Proof Deshaun for Texans. Nice card. Dominators of DJ Moore, Panthers. I think we've got a... No, we don't. 2000 Deshaun, Grant Delpit, and already more Bengals than I had, John Ross. Thought we had a die cut there, but that was my eyes deceiving me. We have Marquise Brown, Kyler, Anthony Miller, Mitchell Trubisky, Montez Sweat. Lots of good defensive ends in Redskins. Sorry, the Washington Football Club. And a nice card here, Canvas, Henry Ruggs. Really do like the Canvas cards, have a lovely feel. And not a bad one behind it either. How cool does that look? That is Elite Series Kyler. Back to the highlights, and we've got Shaquille Barrett, the 2019 NFL leader in sacks. Julian Okwara, rookie for the Lions. Benny Snell is our last card. Next pack. We've got Deontay Hightower, Melvin Ingram, Keenan Allen, Kamalea Correa, CJ Mosley, another filler. There's a die cut. That is Chris Carson, number 275. It's a nice card. Followed by a nice DeAndre Swift as well. That was a painful drop in week 1 for him. That's one of those balls you catch 99, well, 999 out of 1,000 as he turned and dropped it in the end zone. He could have I think he was turning to reach. Didn't really need to. He was already in. We've got DeAndre Swift, as mentioned. Another Paddy Mahomes. Lots of Patrick action. Frank Clark. And another rated rookie, Joe Reed. So there's a lot of rated rookies above the 6 on average. I don't know if I'm reading it wrong, but it clearly says find 6 on average per box. Whether that doesn't include canvas, who knows? But I hit 10. We're probably, 4 or 5 already? Here's another one. We've got LT, Adam Thielen, Sterling Shepard, Matt Ryan, Jelani Tavai, former Hawaii linebacker. Number to 500, Derek Henry. A nice Chase Young rookie card. Really nice card, that. Got a Lamar, Mike Gesicki, and as I mentioned, another rated rookie, Anthony McFarland Jr. from Maryland. So our last 5 packs of box 1. Noah Fant, Philip Lindsay, Mr. Darnold, Aaron Donald, Josh Allen. Ooh, Aaron would be happy with this one as a Jets fan. That's a red press proof Denzel Mims, the former Baylor wide receiver. Not sure if he's seen any action yet. I think he did come in with an injury. But that's a nice card. Power formulas of Donald Driver. We've got a Jack Ham, Legends of the Fall. Kayvon Chason for the Jags, rookie. And a Michael Vick, Legends for the Eagles. Surprised that's not on an Atlanta card, but there we go. Last 4 packs. We've got Jalen Smith, Bernie Kosar for the Browns, Nick Chubb for the Browns. The colour variation there is pretty wild. Exact same card. Max Crosby. Traded Corey Littleton. It's not the Bengal we want, but it is T. Higgins, rookie gridiron. Nice card. We have Tre'Davious White, Action All Pros. Aaron Rodgers. Jeremy Chin, rookie, and a Tyreek Hill. Last 3 packs of box 1. We have OJ. We have Shaquille. DJ Chark. DJ Moore. Getting all the DJs. Jack Doyle. A lovely number 255. Jersey number card. Jayon Brown. Jerry Rice, nice card, Legend Series for the 49ers. Followed by another 49er, Joe Montana. There's a lot of back-to-back teams in these. Miles Sanders. And a guy I'm a big fan of, Brandon Ayuk from Arizona State. Hopefully he is fit fully to play this week. Again, for my fantasy interests. Penultimate pack, box 1. So because we had a patch auto, I'm wondering if we will get another auto or another patch. Or maybe that's it. Cameron Jordan, Russell Wilson, Michael Thomas. I think there's something thicker in here. Tremaine Edmonds, but it could be another filler. Darius Leonard, and it is indeed another filler. Aaron Jones, red press proof. Kind of jinxed that one into action, didn't I? Baker, Dominators. Really like that Dominator. Big fan of the shiny things. Kenny Golladay. AJ Epinesa. And a Bob Gurisi. Another great quarterback there for you, Mitch. Still no Burrow or Tua action in box 1. No Herbert actually either. So let's hope box 2 is bigger on the top 3 guys. Debo, Randy Moss, Young-Hoo Koo, what a card, rookie Young-Hoo Koo in his what, 3rd, 4th season? They're a bit more rare than you see in the 28-year-old rookies in soccer, but you do get them. Anyway, Carlos Hyde, and Jordan Love is showing up again, so this is a Jordan Love box. That is a canvas Jordan Love, must have some value. See if he can do an Aaron Rodgers, come in and take the job year 2, just like he did from Favre. Although Aaron Rodgers seems to have started off very hot. So we'll see on that one. Our last few cards in this one are Henry Ruggs, another nice card. Highlights of 2019 Comeback Player of the Year, Ryan Tannehill. Raekwon Davis, rookie. And a Zadarius Smith. So that is box 1. So where they stated find 1 auto and mem, they literally stuck it on 1 card. So there's our number to 99, Jalen Hurts. Box 2. Just move some cards out of the way. You do get a lot of base with Donruss, even though they've reduced packs over the last few years. It used to be when it came out a 36 pack box. You're down to 18 now, so half the value. But it means print runs aren't going up. That's the positive. So cards have still got the value. Did I miss a Herbert? I don't think I saw a Herbert. Maybe I did. Apologies if I missed it. We've got our box 2. Yeah, that's a really nice Marvel card, that. If someone can check it, but I'm pretty sure that is super short print. I think it is case hit. Super cool looking card. I've just sent my LeBron one off for grading. They're a bit weird. They are designed slightly off center. I had this argument the other day. So they're designed so this left side has a border. I'm not sure on the NFL one whether it should have a border here. On the NBA one it does, but it's smaller. First pack of box 2. We've got Jalen Smith, Bernie Kosar, Luke Kuechly, Patrick Peterson, and this is a backwards card of George Kittle. Not sure why it's backwards. And that's why it's backwards. That is a George Kittle auto 225. So congrats to the 49ers spot. On the 2000 retro throwback. That's a really nice card. Yeah, I'm not surprised now. I think that's a super short print. So with it being a cowboy that's well sought after. Yeah, I did miss that. I didn't see that it said autograph there. That's my bad. Not the biggest build up, but there we go. That's a George Kittle auto 225. So good work from the 49ers spot. Followed by, well, this is 20 of 30, which is normally a jersey card, but he's wearing 43. Oh, that's his combine number. So maybe he's wearing 30 in Cincinnati. I don't think he is though. So I'm not sure why that's 30. But really nice card. That can go in a sleeve. Next up is a really nice running back prospect from Ohio State, J.K. Dobbins. I think he got his first touchdown this weekend. Troy Polamalu inducted. Nice card, Hall of Fame. We got Rob, looking a little bit photoshopped there, looking a bit chunky. And another rated rookie in our first box 2, Lim Bowden Jr., who was traded, I believe. Let me just take my charger out so it keeps knocking the camera. Pack number 2. If he can ever open it. We have Nick Chubb. He says not knocking it and then he knocks it anyway. Brilliant work. Nick Chubb. OJ Howard. We have a Shaquille Griffin again. Lots of flipping here. Allen Robinson. Trent Williams. Lovely card there. That's a red press proof Chase Young. Bet that goes for a fair bit of money for a defensive player at least. See, Panini didn't decide to Sharpie over the Redskins on every card. Jerry Jeudy, the rookies, lovely card. Aaron Rodgers, Grant Delpit for the Browns, and the last card of that pack is Reggie White. Next pack. We have Cameron Jordan, Russell Wilson, Adrian Peterson, AJ Brown, Jamison Crowder, and another canvas, Jordan Love. So Packers doing well. Redskins doing well, you're right. 49ers doing well. And then probably the leader by far is the Cowboys. Just off that Marvels card, to be honest. Pretty sure that is a case hit. Jordan Love again. Followed by another nice card. How about this guy? Patrick Mahomes. Followed by this guy, Patrick Mahomes. Julian Okwara, Notre Dame edge for the Lions, and another quarterback for Mitch. It's Dan Marino. Not the Tua cards still, and still no Burrow. I think I gave all my Burrow love early in the season on that Obsidian card, and I'm cursed to not pull any more. Michael Thomas, sadly injured. Hope he gets back fit. Debo, also injured. Randy Moss. Tyler Higbee had a big game last week. Marcus Allen. Another filler. Lovely card again. Numbered as well. That is the silver, numbered to 100. Rookie Gridiron Kings, Jalen Regal. Followed by Aaron Donald, Kenny Golladay, also injured, Aaron Jones, and Jake from State Farm. So he had a questionable background coming into the NFL with his comments on Twitter in his history. I think they got swept under the carpet quite well. Fair play to the PR teams. But yeah, injuries have been a huge issue this year. For fantasy, it's been killing me. I think lockdown has played a part. People aren't preparing how they should have been. But there we go. Lawrence Taylor, Adam Thielen, Josh Jacobs, second year. Josh Allen, second year. Curtis Samuel. Red Press Proof Zach Ertz. Teddy Bruschi for the Patriots. Earl Campbell for the Oilers. Now the Titans. Kayvon Chason again for the Jags. And another Miami quarterback. Back again with Ryan Fitzmagic. These packs, man. Sterling Shepard. Willie Snead. Damian Tomlinson. Minshew. Jim Kelly. LDT. We'll go for that one. Bit of a tongue twister. Mr. Kittle again. Dominators. Lamar again. Jeremy Chin. Small school guy. Big fan of his game. And John Ross. So 1/3 of the way, box 2. We have Casey Hayward. Big fan of his game. Bradley Chubb. Emmett Smith. Ed Oliver. Big fan of his game. Jonathan Joseph, former Bengal, another filler, followed by a nice Michael Vick die cut 225. So the Eagles doing well on the quarterback front with the Jalen Hurts rookie patch auto, and now this. So trying to share the love. Still need some Burrows and Tuas, so hope we can find that in the second half of this box. There's a nice Michael Vick. Dominators, Aaron Jones, Michael Thomas, 2000 throwback, Devin Bush, and another raced rookie, KJ Hamler. Next pack up. we have Leighton Vander Esch, Myles Garrett, Julio, Ron Moon again, Chandler Jones, red press proof of Bernie Kosar. So I think the Legend one is a bit lighter. I don't know if that was a printing error versus the Chubb card we saw earlier. Another Legends 49 is doing well. Steve Young, Justin Tucker again on the highlights kick. Devin Asiasi for the Patriots, the UCLA tight end, and another CJ Uzama, who is sadly out of the year with not an ACL tear, sorry, an Achilles tear. Jay, who did you draft again? Austin Hooper, Chris Godwin, Tyler Lockett, Danny Amendola, Eddie Jackson. Another one of these nice rookie Gridiron Kings, and it's Jalen Hurts again. Keyshawn Vaughn for the Bucks. Drew Brees. Jedrick Wills, tackle for the Browns, and a Juju. Yeah, it's not super good there. We had a couple of red press spruce with Deshaun Watson, but yeah, I'll try for something more for you. Golden Tate, Dalvin Cook. We have Tyrell Williams, Darren Waller, Miles Jack. There's something for your Ravens. How about a Lamar to 100 on the silver press proof? So what's that, third year Lamar action? Ooh, apologies. Shouldn't really be reaching over for a card, should I? So there's your Lamar to 100. Next up is Mr. Zach Moss. Big fan of his game. Len Dawson. Yeah, there's so much flipping in this, Chris. Zadarius. Colin Johnson, former Texas wide receiver for the Jags. They must pump so much of these Prestige and Donruss out. Given the flipping season in retail, I think Prestige was still on the shelf and still in stock on Target, so they must have pumped a lot of that stuff out. Saquon, Justin Tucker, Drew Bledsoe for the Pats, Robbie Anderson flipping everywhere. Another trade, Joe Schobert, red press proof Aaron Jones, Minka Fitz on the Action All-Stars, Adam Thielen, KJ Osborne, and a Mike Gesicki. So 2/3 through after this pack. Something thicker in here, but that could be a filler again. So Julian Edelman should still be looking for a mem card. Derwin James, Stephon Diggs, T.Y. Hilton, and there indeed is our mem card for the Broncos spot. Philip Lindsay, number 2/299 Jersey Kings. This is player worn / used. I mean, it is Donruss, so it's not the worst place for it to be player worn, but I think Philip Lindsay's been around the NFL a few years. Sure they could find one jersey somewhere. So chuck a... I'll get a large sleeve for this in a second. Yeah, our auto was... We've had two. So we had the George Kittle to 25. And our Jalen Hurts patch auto to 99 in our first box. But by far our biggest hit is the super short print Marvels, which I think Niall said is going for, is it $400 or $500? Nice one there, early draft pick, pick number 4, I believe, for the Lions, Jeff Okudah, rated rookie on canvas. 640. Yeah, it's not a bad card value for a, what, £25 entry slot. He's done okay there. Antonio Gates, another Mr. Mahomes MVP. Nice looking card. Albert O for the Broncos, former Missouri tight end. AJ Green. It was with the Cowboys, which I believe was Matthew. Again, super sealed. Stephon Gilmore. Hunter Henry. Marlon Mack. Devin Singletary. Kenny Stills. Number 2, 380 with a disgusting scratch through here. Wow, there's a big print line all the way through that card. Luckily it's only a Marcus Allen to 380, which is his total carries in 1985. There you go, what a stat. John Elway on the throwback Broncos. Frank Gore, third on NFL career rushing yards. Benny Snell, and another rated rookie. Guy who got his first touchdown at the weekend, Chase Claypool. Last 5 packs. So still need to see some of that top quarterback action, but we're doing okay. Austin Eckler, Cortland Sutton, Drew Lock, Todd Gurley, Deshaun Watson, Filler, Raekwon Davis, rookie press proof. Van Jefferson again, that super photoshopped photo. DJ Moore, AJ Epinesa, and Frank Clark, who nearly cost his team the game at the weekend with his penalty. Low roughing the passer. We have Amari Cooper, CMC, who's out for 4 to 6 weeks, frustratingly for my fantasy team. Buda Baker, Kerryon Johnson, Walter Payton, Colin Johnson, rated rookie canvas again for the Jags. See, I think they've well understated their rated rookies on pack because, again, we're well over 6 per box. And a KJ Hamler. How about this guy? Champ is here. It's not the one I thought it was. That's Sorensen, linebacker. Raekwon Davis and Michael Vick on the Eagles card. Mosaic will be here first weekend of October, so probably the second week of October. I'll be posting it probably Monday, Tuesday. Baker Mayfield, JPP, lacking a couple of fingers. Bobby Wagner, David Montgomery, Cole Holcomb, Lamar, Derek Henry, Dominators. Really love that card. That's beautiful. That's one for you, Chris. Look at that. Russell Wilson, Tyreek, and another rated rookie, Cam Akers. Yeah, they seem to give me good boxes that I break. The boxes I break for personal don't go too well. Although I got them at Lil Joey B, so I can't complain too much. Jared Cook, Greg Olsen, now with the Seahawks, of course. Dwayne Haskins, second year. Mr. Tannehill. Saquon, out for the year again. Jets, red press proof. Jamison Crowder. A-Rod, Elite Series, another nice card. Love that marble effect. Russell Wilson, wildcard again. Is this the only one in the set? Because I've pulled that 3 or 4 times and not seen any of the others. Jordan Brooks, Texas Tech linebacker for the Seahawks, and a Miles Sanders running back for the Eagles. So our last pack, really hope there's a Burrow or a Tua or a Herbert in here. Do feel for those spots. Alvin K, Rich Sherman, Daniel Hunter, Jamal Adams, Jalen Ramsey, another filler, followed by CMC, Gridiron Kings. That's a nice looking card. Devin Duvernay for the Ravens. Juju. Tristan Wirfs. And our last card, is it a Dolphin? It's a Dolphin, it's a quarterback, but it isn't Tua. So that is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let's kind of flick back through our biggest hits, if you can reach out. So we had the Philip Lindsay patch to $2.99 for the Broncos. We had 1, 2 Jordan Love rated rookie canvas for the Packers. We have a Chris Carson to 75 for the Seahawks. $2.99 we have a patch auto, rookie patch auto of Jalen Hurts. See if he takes the job from Wentz in a few weeks. We have to 100 Lamar Jackson. Michael Vick to 25 on the gold die cut. Red press proof of Chase Young, really nice card. 25 auto George Kittle on the 2000 retro set. And the biggest hit, congrats to the Cowboys. That is Marvel's, I believe, super short print, 1 per case, Deion Sanders. So thanks guys, hope you enjoyed. Apologies to Dolphins and the Bengals and the Chargers and everyone else who didn't get a super big hit. I'll see if I've got any stuff around that I can throw in for your spots. I'll be sorting these tonight. If you haven't PM'd me your address already, if you could, please do. Like Chris has mentioned, we've got Mosaic coming early next month, so stay in the group, get that shared. Let's fill that as quick as possible. That'll likely be a similar price, but for one spot, that stuff goes for $800 per box. It's insane. So yeah, that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Congrats to the big spots, and I'll speak to you all soon. See ya.